Hey guys, this is the HTC Vive Pro. It's been redesigned to be 50% lighter than the original, which, combined with the improved weight distribution, means it's not as front heavy and is more comfortable to wear. The most important improvements are resolutions, both in audio and visual. The internal OLED display has 2800 by 1600 resolution, and that's 1400 by 1600 per eye, which makes everything seem noticeably crisper and cleaner. And you also get high-resolution audio support through the built-in headphones. There's an optional wireless adapter too, so you don't need to be physically tethered to a PC to use it. Now, in our short time here, we were impressed by the improved design and display quality. The Vive Pro itself will go on sale at the end of March, and the wireless adapter is coming in the summer. Head over to Pocket-lint.com for more coverage of CES 2018, and I'll see you again soon.